hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.
I have another cleaning motivation for you guys, but before I do that, let me just get some workout in so I can lose this mommy tummy. This video is also a collab with a mommy friend of mine, That Family 5, so make sure you check out her channel and don't forget to subscribe to her as well. I will leave her information in the description box, but before I go, I will let her introduce herself to you.
Hey fam, thank you so much for clicking on this beauty's video. We're collabing today. My name is Atoya. I'm a wife of 1 and a mother of 3, and I wanted to let y'all know what we do in our videos. We do cleaning motivation, cooking motivation, and lifestyle hacks and stuff like that. So if you enjoyed this type of material, please remember to click her video and then click on mine. Thank you.
Hey guys, good morning. So don't mind my crazy hair. I'm about to get my hair done, but I wanted to come on here quick and just give you guys an update. So on Saturday, I cleaned my fridge. When you're watching this video, I cleaned my fridge. I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. I was just working out. And I did not know that while I cleaned my fridge wasn't working. So when I saw water leaking out of it, I really thought that it was the ice that I had in the ice maker that was leaking. So I took it out and threw it away. Later that night, the fridge completely stopped blowing cold breeze. So the next morning when I woke up, Sunday morning when I woke up, everything was melted. So yesterday, which is Monday, yesterday, which is Monday, oh gosh, I'm so tired. So before that, Sunday, we went and bought a new fridge. They were supposed to bring it yesterday, but they never did. So I think Sunday, not Monday, Sunday we went and we bought a fridge, and they were supposed to deliver yesterday, but then they never did because the man said that none of his workers showed up, the delivery guys showed up for us to get the fridge. So we had to go a whole day yesterday. The crappy thing is on Saturday I bought $300 worth of grocery. I did have to throw away a few because meat started going bad. So today's Tuesday. They are supposed to be coming today, and I hope they are, because they really don't want to piss me off, because I'm highly pissed because food are going to waste, and that's money. Okay, it's not like I'm rich and have money sitting down where I can say, okay, my food is wasted, I can just go buy it again. And even if I had money, I would not say that. So I'm hoping that today they bring the fridge. So right now I'm gonna just show you what's going on. My kitchen is highly messy again, so I definitely need to clean that out again. So let me show you guys what's going on. So first, let me show you guys the messy kitchen. So this is what's going on right now. Messy, messy, messy. And this is my fridge. I'm trying to move it, and right now we have nothing here. As you can see, the meat at the bottom was starting to melt, and it kind of smells in here, so I need to clean that out, even though I don't need this fridge anymore. And I do have some of these that's for the boys, but I'ma let them chill for a while. Let me put this over here. So the fridge is almost empty. The freezer side is empty. So let me show you how the fridge side looks, if I can get my baby to move out the way. So as you can see, I still have stuff over here,
Mama, I need that one.
and they are no longer cold. They are no longer cold. Still got vegetables, and you could tell, well, you can't tell, but I can tell. Excuse me, baby. Stuff are starting to smell. I need to make my lemonade, and my peppers are going bad. And my husband actually, excuse me, baby. Excuse me. Excuse me. Mommy trying to close the fridge. Can we put that back? Thank you. Closing the fridge. So my husband actually bought this igloo that we had in the garage, and he filled it with ice. So we have ice in here and some stuff from the fridge. This bucket we had clothes stored in there. We took the clothes out, put it in the garage, and we have ice in here with our food. And then, well, the cereal and stuff that was on the top of the fridge on the table right now. And then in this little mini fridge, we have all the meat and stuff that we had in the fridge. So right now we could only fit 3 packs of meat in the freezer part, and the rest is in the bottom. And I guess it's okay because this fridge actually works and it's keeping the meat cold, so I don't think that's a problem. But right now, that is what we are dealing with this beautiful day. So right now, guys, my fridge is pretty messy. There's a lot of cleaning that needs to be done. I'm just waiting for these guys to bring my fridge so I can get everything in order, because it is extremely messy, and I'm just over all the chaos that is going on in my kitchen right now. So hopefully they come today, get stuff done, and just wish me the best, guys, because right now I am legit frustrated. But hopefully today is a better day than it already started. This week is a better week than it will be. It has already been the last 3 days. Hey guys, so I am back. I took a shower, got my hair done, put on a little eyeliner and some lip gloss, and now I'm ready to get some cleaning done. I'm gonna try to see if I can at least try to clean up the kitchen a little bit until the guys come with my fridge. Still haven't heard anything from them yet, so I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna try to see if I can do some tidying up because it looks horrible. And then my son said he wants some eggs for breakfast, so I'm gonna make him some eggs right now and then get into cleaning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so whenever I post a video, you guys will be the first to be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. If it wasn't for you guys, I couldn't do this because I am such an introvert, and you guys push me every day to be able to do something like this. So thank you guys so much. If you are new to my channel, you've never watched my videos before, and this is your very first time, thank you for coming. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And if you are returning, thank you again for coming back. And just let me know in the comment section what you guys think, what you guys would love to see. I would love to hear from you. I love talking to you guys. So thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy this video.
I begin to
Guys, we're finally here with my fridge, and I was so happy because my kitchen was so messy, but they were having a hard time trying to bring it through the door. So I trade every day, guys, so that's what you see on my computer. That's what I'm doing while I am getting some cleaning done. I was trading so your girl can make some money because, you know, the bills got to be paid, and this is how I make my money on a daily. My big boy was helping me keep his brother away from the dishwasher, but then he started helping his brother mess with stuff. Doing dishes, guys, has always been my daily struggle because this little boy is a little troublemaker. He messes with everything. I try to normally put him in his high chair, but that don't always last because he starts fussing and crying and screaming, and he tugs at my heart every time because as soon as he starts crying, I just pick him up, which is not always good, but hey, that's my baby and that's what I'm gonna do. Before I put the food back in the fridge, I'm gonna make sure I clean the outside, clean the inside, sanitize the outside, and sanitize the inside. I can honestly say one of the proudest things in my life is motherhood. And I feel like my life would be so empty if my boys were not in it. There were days when they would drive me crazy, and there are days when I absolutely just love their little face, love their little cheeks, and being their mom is such a proud aspect of my life. And I'm loving the fact that I became a YouTuber because for this very situation, or I don't even know what the term to use, but this very aspect, I have these memories I can always look back on and see just how amazing it was to have my boys around to help me or just drive me crazy while trying to get some cleaning done. I didn't realize my baby was messing with some buttons at the bottom. They're supposed to set the gauge of the temperature for your vegetables and fruits, and I didn't realize that he messed with it. So the bottom one was set to frozen for meat, and guys, up to this day, I cannot get that bottom one to open because it is frozen shut. And no matter how I throw water on it, that's not even helping. My toddler really wanted to help me stock up back all the groceries back in the fridge. I am so thankful right now that he is always so helpful, because I know once he gets to a certain age, it's going to be like pulling teeth trying to get him to help. And the baby helps at times as well. Now that the fridge is clean and everything that I had on the table is back in the fridge, I am going to be taking out everything out of this igloo and put it back in the fridge. I was so frustrated because in the second igloo, a lot of the meat stuff were spoiled, so that I had to throw away. I was really disappointed this happened, but you know, sometimes in life things happen and there's nothing you can do about it, but just go with the flow and try to make it better wherever you can. Toddler always wait until his brother is chilling to go mess with him, and then that mess with my flow of cleaning. If you're watching this video and you haven't watched the video before this, I'm gonna need you to go check that out, because that is the before of everything that was going wrong this weekend. So you need to check that out so that you can be up to date and not totally lost with this video, because so much was going wrong this weekend. So you need to watch the first video along with this video so you can be in the know of everything that was going on. Yes, we are almost at the end, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you got some motivation to get some cleaning done. As you can see, I had so much going on with my fridge, but it's a part of life and you just got to roll with the punches. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope the motivation that you needed, you got it to get some cleaning done. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you leave a comment in the comment section, because I would love to talk to you guys. And thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. And if you did, leave me a heart in the comment to let me know that you are a real OG that support your girl and made it to the end of this video. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.